Welcome to the top best. The best magnetic hardware is probably one of the most surprisingly transformative and effortlessly stylish upgrades you can make to your home's exterior, instantly boosting curb appeal and giving your plain garage door a sophisticated, custom-designed look without the hassle of drilling, painting, or permanent modifications, making it an ideal solution for renters and homeowners alike who desire a quick, impactful aesthetic enhancement. Number 5. Household Essentials Garage Handle and Hinge Magnets. Transform your garage door in just 2 minutes. These magnetic accents create a high-end carriage house look effortlessly. No tools, drilling, or hassle required to achieve this stunning upgrade. Designed specifically for steel garage doors, they feature powerful magnets for a secure hold. They attach firmly and stay in place through daily use and various weather conditions. Get the elegant look of classic wrought iron without the drawbacks. These pieces offer timeless style, free from rust, staining, or the need for constant maintenance. Skip the stress of drilling holes or voiding your warranty. These accents install and reposition with ease, ensuring no damage to your door. Crafted from UV and weather-resistant materials, they are built to last. This design prevents fading, cracking, or discoloration over time, maintaining their pristine appearance. With carefully considered dimensions for hinges and handles, they ensure a balanced and realistic carriage house aesthetic. They are designed to complement standard steel garage doors perfectly. What we like. This set offers an instant curb appeal transformation for your garage door. Its strong magnetic hold ensures they stay put, giving you a realistic faux iron finish without the maintenance. If you're looking for a quick, damage-free upgrade that withstands the elements, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 4. Heavy-duty magnetic garage door screen 16x7. Imagine your garage as an extra living space, free from pests and dust. This innovative screen door makes it possible, allowing you to enjoy a fresh breeze without unwanted intruders. Its unique magnetic closure allows for easy walk-through, perfect for both people and pets. With extra gravity sticks, it stays securely in place, even on windy days. Forget complicated setups. This screen installs in minutes using simple hook and loop strips, with extra push pins for added security. It's retractable and detachable for easy storage. Crafted from super durable fiberglass mesh, it's tear-resistant, fireproof, and corrosion-resistant. Its reinforced edges ensure it withstands the test of time, providing lasting performance. This screen effectively seals around your garage door, preventing annoying animals and debris from entering. It brightens your space while letting the refreshing breeze flow through. Designed for garages up to 16 by 7 feet, it's a versatile solution for various entryways. Remember to measure your opening carefully to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This product transforms your garage into an extra living space, free from annoying animals and dust. Its strong magnetic closure and weighted bottom ensure a secure seal and wind resistance. If you want to enjoy a breezy, pest-free garage or need an easy-to-install, retractable screen, this is perfect for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, so no positive features could be quoted. Number 3. SKYSEN Magnetic Garage Door Hardware Kit. Transform your garage door's appearance instantly with this decorative hardware kit. It adds a touch of classic style without permanent modifications. Each package provides 8 faux hinges and 4 handles. These pieces come with strong magnets for secure attachment. Installing them is incredibly simple. You won't need any screws or drilling, making it easy to apply and reposition as desired. Crafted from high-quality ABS, this kit features a rust iron finish. It's designed to withstand the elements while maintaining its elegant look. Please note, these decorative accents are specifically designed for steel garage doors. They are not suitable for wooden doors. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of 8 hinges and 4 handles to fully accessorize your steel garage door. Made from high-quality ABS with a rust iron finish, they offer a classic look without the need for screws or holes. If you're seeking a complete, flexible decorative solution that's easy to adjust, this set is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Magnetic Garage Door Decorative Hardware Kit. Transform your garage door in just 2 minutes. No drilling or special tools are required. Simply attach them to instantly enhance your home's curb appeal. This comprehensive set includes 2 handles and 4 hinges for a perfectly cohesive look. They add character to your home's exterior without the high cost or time of traditional upgrades. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, these accents are designed to resist rust and endure all weather conditions. They will maintain their attractive appearance for years, ensuring long-lasting curb appeal. Upgrade your garage door with these affordable faux accents. This quick DIY project transforms your home's curb appeal without the expense or hassle of traditional upgrades. They are easy to apply and instantly effective. Please remember, these magnetic accents work exclusively with steel garage doors. They rely on the magnetic properties of steel and will not adhere to non-magnetic materials like aluminum or wood. Always check your door's material before purchasing. What we like. This decorative hardware set promises a significant curb appeal boost in just 2 minutes. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant ABS plastic, they maintain their attractive appearance through all seasons. If you prioritize a super-fast, no-fuss upgrade that instantly elevates your home's look, this is a great option. What people say. Number 1. 16 panels Magnetic Garage Door Faux Windows Kit. Want to instantly enhance your home's curb appeal? This innovative kit offers a simple yet dramatic upgrade for your garage door, giving it a sophisticated, carriage house look. Crafted from high-quality magnetic material, these panels are rust-proof, non-toxic, and waterproof. They won't fade or leave any marks, ensuring lasting beauty. Equipped with super-strong neodymium magnets, they securely stay in place through all seasons and weather conditions. Wind or rain won't make them fall off. These panels create the illusion of elegant windows on your steel garage door. They're so convincing, your neighbors won't believe they're not real. No tools, glue, or drilling required. Simply space and attach them to your metal door. You can easily remove, cut, and reuse them without any damage. Designed specifically for steel or metal alloy doors, this kit adds significant style and value to your home. It's an essential upgrade that won't harm your existing door. What we like. This kit offers a unique way to create the illusion of carriage house windows on your garage door. Equipped with super strong neodymium magnets, these panels are designed to stay securely in place through any weather. If you're looking to add a distinctive window aesthetic and appreciate the flexibility to cut and reuse panels, this product is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted as requested. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.